Hi, I'm Arshi, an advanced soul realignment practitioner, a certified ICF approved coach, and a certified transformational and spiritual coach. I have extensively trained to read the Akashic records for over 2 years, literally done my ninja level training with 7 levels of training. So, what is soul realignment? When our soul first originates in any of the galaxies, including this galaxy, we have a soul's blueprint, which means our soul chose what kind of human experience to have on earth. The soul chose what kind of work to do, what gifts to bring along, etc. etc. But over many incarnations and having made many negative choices, we have muddled our soul's blueprint, where we can't see the original plan clearly. With a muddled blueprint, people find themselves struggling for almost everything in their lives, be it money, success, love, relationships, or even finding fulfillment. The struggles do not give the results, even though it feels like the person is trying harder than anyone else. So, this is where I come in to realign to you your soul's original blueprint, which means I help you clean up the muddled blueprint. And how do I do that? I access your soul's information with your soul's permission from the Akashic records in the fifth dimension. What are the Akashic records? Akashic records are called the Book of Life. Can be equated to the universe's energetic database. Something like an energetic Google. The Akashic records contained every deed, word, feeling, thought, intent that has ever occurred at any time in the history of the galaxies, the universes, and parallel universes. The Akashic records contain the entire history of every soul since the soul's origination. Not everyone gets access to read the Akashic records. The intention sets the tone. I will find out not only what you chose to do in this three-dimensional world, but also tell you what your blocks and negative patterns are that are affecting you, hindering you from enjoying your human experience as a divine being. We are not supposed to struggle as divine beings. Only efforts are needed to live a comfortable and happy life. I bring to you, for your transformation, a mix of both the worlds of psychic wisdom and coaching. After decoding your soul, I then help you to your long-lasting transformation by energetically clearing off the emotions around the patterns that are affecting you negatively. We cannot erase karma, an action that has been done, but we can erase the effects of the patterns. When you become aware of your limiting patterns, it is easy to change them. So the process goes this way. I log into your Akashic records. After a whole lot of protocol, check your soul's blueprint, tell you what your soul chose to do, make you aware of your gifts, your blocks, your negative patterns, contracts, vows, etc., etc., and much, much more. Not just awareness, but also tell you about how your patterns originated, in what circumstances. Telling someone that you have a pattern of failure doesn't really help, but telling someone how the patterns were formed greatly helps you rectify and stop repeating these patterns and start afresh. When you become aware of how your patterns were formed in which lifetimes, it is easy to change them, especially with the techniques I use. After this, I give you the 21-day clearing work. Then begins your coaching session, where you're guided to not repeat these patterns by taking action. Since we are in this three-dimensional world, taking action is the only way around changing your patterns. Just knowing about your patterns doesn't help changing them. I then guide you with a step-by-step process to change your patterns with my varied techniques, where I tap into your subconscious and your conscious mind. This process takes about 3 months minimum. You may ask me, how do I know what you're telling me is authentic? Well, most of my clients have resonated with 100% of the patterns. You will resonate too, especially when we start connecting the dots. In fact, some of the discoveries will surprise you about yourself. You will benefit by being able to handle your life better because you have a better understanding of your soul. If you take the package, then you will also discover how your soul is made to manifest and much more. Every soul is made differently. Not one rule applies to all. One person's success story cannot be your formula. Discover your soul's success formula. Fill in the form below. It is life transforming.